Hi everyone, this is Aoife with AddEvent, and in this video I'm going to show you our automated emails for RSVP events. So with AddEvent, you can enable RSVP on your event to collect information from your users as they register for your event. You can also track all of your attendees within AddEvent, and you can send automated emails from our system as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a new RSVP event. Okay, I'm not going to run through too many details here. This is kind of just the basic event creation, so setting the date, time, location, and any additional details. But what I am going to do is select RSVP here, and then we're going to see a drop-down list. So when you first create your account, you'll just have the standard RSVP form here, but as you create a few more, you'll have lots of options down there as well. So we're going to stay in the standard one for the moment and create our new event. So on the event page, the first section here is an overview of our details. And then we have RSVP and settings. So specifically, we're looking at the custom RSVP forms here. And we're going to go into the standard RSVP form. So with the standard RSVP form, for the user information, we just collect email and name, and then we have all of the automated emails as well. So I'm going to scroll down to this section here. So the first email that you can send out from AddEvent is the confirmation email. And by default, this is enabled, but you can just select this box here if you don't want to send that out anymore. And this is the standard form, so we can't actually make any edits to this one here. But I do have an example of what this will look like. So this is the confirmation email. You'll see you have all of the details of the event in here, and then they'll have a link to the event landing page where they registered for your event. So if they need to go back and change their response or anything like that. We have 2 reminder emails available. So you can customize when you'd like these reminder emails to go out. By default, the first one goes out a day before your event, and then the second one goes out 2 hours before your event. The contents of all of these emails are fully customizable. You'll need a little knowledge of HTML and CSS. We do have the data tags available down at the bottom. But if you need any further support, our technical support team can absolutely help you with that. So the reminder emails, quick example of what they look like here. Very similar to the confirmation email. It'll have all of the details of the event, and then a link to the event landing page as well, and a link to change your registration as well. Back to our AddEvent account, the last email we have is the follow-up email. So by default, this is sent out an hour after your event, and this is disabled right now, but you can enable this at any time within your account. The follow-up emails are great. A lot of our customers use them to send review links after their event, so you can definitely include that in here. And then we also have the updates email available down below. So this is not one of the automated emails. You can manually send this out from within your AddEvent account, but if you're looking to edit it, you can do that in here. So for all of the automated emails, you'll see from here, it'll come from events@addevent.com. If you want to change the sender address to your own address, you can do that by adding your domain to your AddEvent account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please reach out to support@addevent.com. Cheers.